Hello. When undertaking due diligence for nature-based solutions projects, one of the things that you're going to maybe think about needing to do is to assess whether the project boundaries have been manipulated to include areas such as steep ravines. That would be very difficult to deforest or reforest anyway. So we can do this on Earth Blox in a number of different ways, but here we are using a global elevation dataset, and we have calculated the slope percentage, which is what we see on the map here. Using this dataset, we have applied a rule where basically we're saying anything above a 15% slope is a steep slope and anything else is a gentle slope, which gives us this classification here. So the gentle slope areas are in green and the steep slopes are in red. So what we can do is we can begin to look at the different project sites and determine how much area is steep and how much is gentle. So if we go to the dashboard, we can see this on the table here. So for each of the different project sites, we can see whether the amount of area that is gentle slope and steep slope. And so again, that can begin to flag up some of the potential issues with the particular project site that you need to be aware of when going through that due diligence phase and before you reach that verification stage. This table can be downloaded and exported directly out of Earth Blox by pressing the button there. So if you want to apply this to your own project site, I will walk through those steps just now. So I'm going to clear the workspace. So I'm going to upload a polygon to the map. So I'm going to choose a particular location. At this time this is in South America. It's just a randomly selected location. I'm then going to go to Load Project, and if I search for MBS, I can scroll down and I can see there assessing the steepness of the elevation. So if I open that and then I load without areas, this will let me undertake this analysis for this particular location. So I press run and this will begin to process the data. So we now have some outputs just loading onto the map. So here we can see the slope percentage again, and then on top of that we have those two kind of slope classes, the red being steep slope and the green being gentle slope. If we go to the dashboard, we can then see the relative balance of that. So over 1.5 million hectares in this location is gentle, and about over a quarter of a million is steep. So that tells us more about this project location. Obviously this is just a rectangle, and so it's unlikely that the project boundaries have been manipulated to make use of terrain that is either not suitable for reforesting or is not at risk of deforestation. But your project sites might be able to do that, so you can use this template to help you achieve that. Thank you very much.